Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Now last week I posted a video on YouTube of me making this small leather pouch. I used leather harvested from an old couch and made literally just a circle, holes, and pulled it all together with paracord. Now when I finished it, I made this decorative knot. Quite a few people have been in touch and asked me what the knot is. The knot is called the snake knot, and it can be used for all manner of things, from finishing lanyards to making lanyards on knives, like this one, to making key rings, to making zipper pulls. This one's made from paracord. On the end of this, you'll note that I've kind of capped it off and singed the ends, and I've done similar with this. This is made from a huge bunch of fishing net that I salvaged from the rocks on the North Cornwall coast. So again, I've kind of finished the end there so it's nice and stable and doesn't come undone. The one on my knife I've left open so that should I ever need cordage, I've got some there. So that's what the knot is. Let's go look at how to tie it. Start with your cordage folded in half. I'm going to try and do this laid on the desk to make it easy to see. So your left strand goes over the right strand, back under the loop, bottom strand goes underneath this one, then it's going to come back through this loop here and pull tight. At this point you can adjust the size of your loop. That's the first knot. Repeat the process. Left strand over the right strand, behind. This strand goes behind this one and then back through this loop. So behind that one, back through the loop, pull tight. Left over right, across the back, this one underneath and through this loop. And that's the start of a sequence of snake knots. So that's the snake knot. It's not difficult. It's really, really simple. All it takes is practice. You can decorate things. You can use it for useful functions. All you've got to do is invest the time to make it happen. So now we're in lockdown. Go and do it. Get some string, get some paracord, get a bit of washing line, whatever, and go and practice the snake knot. Good luck. Now, before you go, I've got a whole bunch of these zipper pulls that I've made up from fishing net salvaged on the North Cornwall coast. These things are really good. You attach it to your zips with a really simple kind of lark's foot knot, and then it makes operating zips in cold weather really simple, even if you're wearing gloves. Now, if you're working with a mountain rescue team or RNI, ambulance service, police, any blue light service or any emergency service, and you feel that you could benefit from some of these, then drop me a line in the comments below. I'll get in touch, and if I've got some left, I'll happily send them out.